MyFitnessRx presents a dancer's workout. Dancing is a great way to get fit and stay fit. Tracy shows us 5 exercises to help improve strength, endurance, power, and mobility. First up is the single leg, stiff leg deadlift with rows. This exercise does so much. Improves balance, core activation, hip stability, and mobility. Be sure to keep your back flat throughout the entire move. Next, we have high bridges with knee pulls. Now, bridging of any kind is great for hip extension, and when you add the knee pull, it increases your core activation. Be sure to initiate each move with your hips and keep your hips parallel to the floor with each knee pull. Reverse lunges with rotations promote and improve hip stability. When you add the rotation, it's a full body move. Remember to keep your abs contracted, and when you lunge down, your shoulders, hips, and knees should be in a straight line. Side step-ups with front lunge, another full body move. Side stepping up improves your lateral movements. And then the lunge is all about control. So step up using your glutes and hamstrings. When you step down, be sure it's a slow, controlled movement and go right into the front lunge. Finally, we have medicine ball squats with reverse chops. Now, chops of any kind are great for torso rotational movements, and those movements are necessary for all kinds of spins and turns. Be sure to squat down with control and then explode up using your torso to move the ball. A special thanks to Tracy for her great demonstrations of our dancer workout.